So in the comment this month, I focused very much on energy. And the reason I focused on energy is that we all know that one way or another, our industry has to be fed by energy. It's the lifeblood of our economy. And we're aware that we face a number of significant challenges in this regard at the moment. But one of the things that I thought was quite important to look at, and I elaborated on it to some extent, is looking ahead in terms of the challenges that we see in South Africa, Southern Africa, and in fact, indeed in the continent. The only thing that I can see is that energy is one of the biggest agenda points going forward. For instance, if you look forward to the next 10 years in South Africa, we need to build in excess of 10,000 kilometers of transmission line. We need to install in excess of 81,000 MVAs of transformer. The capex that we're talking about is more than 150 billion rands in expenditure, and I think those are really significant numbers. But the one thing that I also reflected on was looking at our continent specifically and the access to electrical energy that folk have within our continent. That, to me, shows something which can, to some extent, be deeply worrying, but at the same time talks about the potential that we see out there. For example, South Africa, if you look at South Africa as a country, around about 80% of people have access to electricity, which sounds relatively good. But if you go up to the northern tip of Africa, along the Mediterranean coastline, you'll find the economies like Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, all with more than 95 or 98% access to electrical energy. It's that bit in between where we start to see big opportunity, meaning that a very small proportion of the population has access to electrical energy. Namibia is about 45%, Zimbabwe is less than 40%, and so on. One of the points I make in the comment is that no matter what the source of energy is going to be, there's no doubt in my mind that one of the challenges we face is how do we now go about interconnecting all of these grids to make sure that the continent per se actually has the capacity to grow and develop. And that is based on the access to energy.